We're getting contacted by a ton of different EB-2 potential applicants and even applicants about a pretty concerning practice that's happening in the immigration space between immigration attorneys as well as consultants. There are a few agencies that essentially act as visa mills. By a visa mill, I mean a law firm, consulting firm that's really just pushing and promoting foreigners into one visa category. In the past, it was EB-5, especially when the investment amount was $500,000. It was also EB-3 for a period where you could get a sponsorship and get a visa in the United States. And now it's the EB-2 NIW. One item of concern is advocating EB-2 NIW petitioners to set up a consulting company, even if there's no intention for them to be a business owner or a consultant, and they really just want to be employed by a company. We've heard of a few different would-be EB-2 NIW applicants being advised, just set up a company. It doesn't matter what happens once you're here in the United States, get your green card, because setting up a company and providing consulting services is going to be a safer bet than if you were going to apply with a potential job opportunity. One specific case, a lawyer said you can establish an LLC, open a bank account, fund that LLC with about $30,000 and set up a business plan for a software consulting company. This would-be applicant had no intention to be a consultant and hire employees under him and was actively seeking employment in the United States. So you got to be thoughtful for what you want to do in the United States. If you want to be employed in the US, it might be better to seek a temporary visa like the H-1B, L-1, even the O-1 first, then apply for the NIW or EB-1A once you're already here in the United States. You might fool USCIS and get the green card and be able to live in the United States, but you could have troubles when you go to renew that green card or apply for US citizenship in the United States. If you came to the US and from day one you were a W-2 employee and you never ran that software consulting company, you could have some issues on getting the US citizenship or even renewing your green card. So be alert out there and be sure to ask whoever you are working with what are the alternatives outside the EB-2 NIW. I think even better yet too is do your own research. Go to the USCIS website. If you're a STEM professional, there's a section that shows what are the options for STEM workers, both non-immigrant options, that might be a good start, as well as immigrant options for STEM professionals. So research the government websites. You have USCIS, you have the State Department that also provides information on different visa categories. Talk to different providers in the space in the immigration arena to see what options might fit your criteria best, but don't just settle on one solution that you saw an ad or that your friend did and go with that. I've been working in the investment and immigration space now for the last 10 years, and I've seen no matter what year, there's some immigration fad and that everyone's making a big push. Whether, again, it's the EB-5, EB-3, EB-2 NIW, it's usually a green card category because the green card at the end of the day sells well, and it is an American dream that you would be obtaining. But there's no one size fits all. There's 5 different categories of employment-based green cards. Some of them require employment sponsorship. One of them is just an investor visa. A couple are more based on your skill and what you've done before and what you're going to be doing in the United States, or maybe what you're going to continue to do in the United States. So don't fall prey if it doesn't feel right and you're being told to do something that you're not actually going to do in the United States. Take a deep breath, pause, and think it over, because it could affect not only you, but also your family. And you don't want to put your family in a precarious situation because you got bad advice. I hope this serves as a warning. If you're going to be applying for a visa, green card to the United States, put your best foot forward, but also you got to be real about your capabilities and what you're going to be doing in the United States. I hope you enjoyed this video. If we can help you at Visa Franchise, whether it's through different businesses, helping start up your own business, we're happy to help you out. You can reach me at patrick@visafranchise.com, or also visit our website at www.visafranchise.com. And I hope to see you on the next video.